Hello televiewers, today we turn our attention to Lebang Road, where a vital road project is underway, promising to transform connectivity in Lebang. But as we discovered, progress hasn't been without hurdles. Let's take a look at the road project and the challenges it faces.
The Ndungwe Bindia Lekong Azin Chobonya Road project is underway in Lebialem, a significant development for the division. Conceived in 2023 during the Lekudo USA Convention, the Lebang Road Equipment Project is now being executed in 2025. On February 15, 2025, two pieces of road equipment were blessed in Fontem. Just 4 days later, grading work commenced on the road, stretching from Chobonya towards Ndungwe. Significant progress has already been made. The road has been graded from Chobonya through Azi and onwards to Nje. The path is noticeably wider compared to just a month ago, easing transportation for residents. Nkenga Factiofi, the project engineer, reports that they have effectively completed 3 kilometers of the intended work. However, he also shared that the project has encountered challenges.
Effectively, we've done about 3 kilometers of roadside clearing, felling of trees, and grading. 3 kilometers, effective work done. Presently, when work started, it was a little difficult to have persons who could do clearing of the roads because, as you see, between Azi and Chobanyahai, we really don't have people living in that area. So we had those challenges. But presently, where we're standing, we at least have some villagers around who come around to assist to do clearing, and then things are getting better.
Initially, the plan was to grade the road directly from Chebonya to Ndungwe. However, work is currently stopped at Nje because of these challenges.
Well, presently we are working between Chobenya and Ndungwe. Yeah, but presently we are at Nje. Yeah, Nje, which is just about 4 kilometers from our starting point.
The project suffered a setback when the bulldozer experienced a breakdown. Work was temporarily halted while awaiting repairs. A mechanic was brought in to assess the situation. It was discovered that there were no tools. Taco Victor, the bulldozer operator, echoes the sentiment, highlighting the need for better resources to keep the project on track.
As you can see, I'm up to the extent to be a mechanic still, of which that's not my job. I'm just trying so that the work can move forward. If not of the breakdown, today we cannot be talking here. Maybe we are even at the for Tuchang.
He stated that, in addition to the mechanic, he really needs 2 assistants to help with the work.
I'm supposed to have at least 2 guys with me to work. There are places that I work, I stop the machine to go and try to observe it. And there are things that when you remove tree, like this is an engine. When you remove all those trees without the hand, when you fall there, you need somebody that can catch it for you to facilitate all those things I do it myself. So I really need 2 assistants, people that can assist me to continue this journey. Because I don't think I'm here just for some days. I'm in need of mechanic. If the mechanic can be around, I'll be very happy.
A crucial project for Lebang, but clearly one that needs further support to overcome these setbacks. That is it for our report on the road project. Stay tuned to Kasa Media as we continue to follow its progress. For this presentation, I am Safe Miri.